Good morning. My name is Ankita from Faculty of Nursing, Rama University, Kanpur. So today we will discuss method of family planning. So first of all discuss what is the family planning. What is the meaning of family planning? According to WHO, family planning is defined as the ability of individual and couple to attain their desired number of children and spacing and timing of their birth. Means family planning ability of individual and couple to attain their desire of number children means controlling of population and maintain of spacing between one child and other child's birth. Next, what is the method of family planning? So look at here, family planning method, a way of thinking and living that is adopted voluntarily upon the basis of knowledge, attitude and couples individuals to promote the health and welfare or the family groups and contribute effectively to the social development and development of a country. Next, method of family planning means types of method of family plannings. So there are two types of method of family planning. First one, temporary method. Next, permanent method. Temporary method is four types. First, barrier method. Next, IUCD method. Next, hormonal method. Natural method. Barrier method, three types. First, physical methods. Next, chemical method and combined method. These are the types of barrier methods. So we are discuss one by one all physical method. First one, male condom, female condom, diaphragm and vaginal sponge. So these are the physical method. Next, chemical method. Chemical method, example, foam, tablet, jelly, cream and suppository. These are the chemical method. Next, combined method. Combined method included physical method and chemical method together. Next, IUCD method. IUCD method, there are two methods. First one, non-medicated IUCD method. Next, medicated IUCD method. So here discuss non-medicated. So example of non-medicated in first generation IUCD method. So example, Lippus loop. Lippus loop is included high amount of the copper. Next, medicated. Medicated is divided two types. First, second generation and third generation. So here discuss second generation IUCD method. Second generation included in copper T, Nova T and multi-load copper T. So example of copper T 200 250 for 3 years, and multi-load multi means large amount of copper included. This example 335 to 380 for 10 years. Next, 335 for 5 years means 380 copper T in 10 for 10 years and 335 for 5 years. Next, hormonal methods of family planning. Next, there are two hormonal methods. First one, oral contraceptive pills. Next, depot preparation. These are the hormonal method types. So first of all discuss oral contraceptive pills. So example of oral contraceptive pills, weekly pills, monthly pills, combined pills and post-coitus pills and male pills. So example of Mala and Mala D is combined pills. Next, depot preparation. Depot preparation, there are two types, injectable and subcutaneous. Injectable, example Dampa and subcutaneous net-in. These are the example of injectable, and these are the injectable depot preparation. Next, subcutaneous NOR plant. NOR plant is operation process is for family planning method. Next, natural method. Natural method, there are four types. First of all, basal body temperature. Next, breast feeding, and next, interruption coitus, and next, calendar method. So these are the temporary method. Temporary method is total 4 method. Next, permanent method. Permanent, there are two methods. First of all, tubectomy. Next, vasectomy. Tubectomy, there are 3 methods. Traditional tubectomy. Next, mini operation and laparoscopy. Sterilization. Next, vasectomy. These are the permanent method. So here discuss all method of family planning. So now discuss one by one all temporary method and permanent method. So firstly discuss barrier method. So barrier method in first physical method. Physical method example, male condom for males, female condom for females. Female condom used before intercourse 4 hours before. Next, diaphragm used by females, and vaginal sponge also used by females. Next, chemical methods. Chemical method included foam tablet, jelly, cream, and suppository. Tablet form used by females. Next, jelly and creams. Jelly and creams also used by females. Next, combined method. Combined method included physical method and chemical method. Example, female condom, male condom, diaphragm, vaginal sponge, and foam tablet, jelly creams, and suppository in together used in combined method. Next, IUCD method. IUCD method before discuss non-medicated and medicated. First one, non-medicated. Non-medicated example, first generation example, Lipas loop. Lipas loop included high amount of copper. Next, medicated. There are 2 types, second generation and third generation. Second generation, there are 3 types: copper T, Nova T, multi-load copper T. Copper T, copper T example, 200 copper T and 250 copper T. 200 and 250 copper T for 3 year. Next, multi-load copper T for example, 335 and 380. 380 copper T used for 10 year and 335 used for 5 year. Next, hormonal method. Hormonal method, there are 2 types. First one, oral contraceptive pills. Oral contraceptive example, weekly pills, monthly pills, and combined pills, and male pills, and post-coitus pills. Example of Mala N and Mala D in combined pills. So next, natural method. Basal body temperature, and breastfeeding, and interruption, withdrawal coitus, and calendar method. These are the natural method. So these are the all temporary method of family planning. Next, permanent method. Permanent tubectomy, vasoectomy. There are two types. Traditional tubectomy, first one traditional tubectomy, second one mini operation and laparoscopic sterilization. In this condition, tubectomy, fallopian tube is cut and operate and complete the tubectomy. Next, vasoectomy. Vasoectomy for male for method of family planning. So these are the method of family planning. Thank you.